talong.
Pero tricycle. Ano kung kinaano ng kabayo?
And ours is contestant number he will receive 10,000 pesos cash and a trophy. He is contestant number 16, Mariano Langkay.
Kalaki sir. Huwag ka na kabayon sir. Ganyan to 16.
And of course, our champion for this year's Cadesa Spectacle 2025 is garnering an average score of 84%. Ikaw ay mag-uwi ng 15,000 pesos cash and a trophy. He is none other than our contestant number.
Wala medyo na-ready na tagay na kalesa. Anong gawin?
Number 18!
In the club, pour another shot and show me some love. I wanna get the party going.
Congratulations to Sir Tirso Pagdayuman! Palakpakan po natin. Medyo ibahin nga po sir. Oh, that's 50,000 pesos sponsor and a trophy. And you are this year's winner of the 2025 Cadesa Spectacle. Ayan, requesting our winners to please bring your Cadesa with you here for the photo opportunity with our judges and also our presenter. Grabe naman yan.
Oh, medyo ina na ito baka maguluhan ka kabayan kayo, darakal na kayo, bahala kayo dyan. Oh, hindi kayo mo na eh. Malakalok kayo ba kayo dyan eh. O ano, karera na din.
Ayan, magapangan po natin ang ating first placer. Yan, grabe oh.
Ganun ka medyo manigong kabayo eh.
Judges po, please join the photo opportunity. Ayan na. Kalalaki yan, Cadesa. O, apitan ko number 16.
O, dapat sa yung mamasingang mga ipasada ni Cadesa po niya, decoration na sa rumang takay.
Diba? Oh, judges, medyo inano ko magkrela ka ba? Okay, 1, 2, 3, picture po tayo mga mama sir. Smile, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yung kabahi medyo sibuti-butan no.
Okay, palakpakan po natin. That's our first placer. At another picture taking naman with our second placer. Thank you so much, sir. Start thinking better future. Palakasin ang agrikultura at turismo. Sir, hindi ba ayayag tayo, sir? Yan na, 15 million na. Sir, shots on gabi, sir. Mali sa magpasada ito, nakahulang yung golden. Okay, next, our second placer. Ay, grabe. Sir, pwede, kwakyo, kakawin. Para yung ma-exercise, baka pusa mo. Kaya palapakan muna natin ang ating second placer, number 16. Oh, nakakasta, sombrero ba? Kabayo niya, cute. Naka-costume ba? Alaga. Ayan, effort talaga. Thank you so much, number 16. And of course, we have our third placer, number 5. Palapakan po natin si number 5. Galaki mo yung oran eh, kayo. Diba? Sabi mo, ang baka ni Kuge? Yang wala tanong, magpunta tatlo, apat mo sa hero na sige dahil. Ayan, palapakan po natin ang ating third placer. Ayan, thank you so much. At syempre ang ating fourth placer, afoy nag-vacuum. Ayan. Sir, stop mo muna, sir. Pami sa manisir na, pami yung kapatitik kung nahirapan niya na pro. Yan, picture po kayo, sir. Oh, medyo ina na to, dyan kabahan. Ito nakakasasag kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more, 1, 2, 3, smile po tayo. Very good. Thank you so much. And congratulations to the winners of our Calesa Spectacle 2025. Grabe naman yan. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We really appreciate your presence. Sir, palutong eh, bahaka.